Some weird weather. Wow. Damn, look at it, look. That's crazy. It's just in that one cloud. It looks centralized too, where the lightning's coming from. See, just in that one spot and down in that other spot. 2 spots. Holy shit.
What if it started raining blood? What would you do?
Get a sample.
Huh? It just barely started too, huh?
Yep. There's not even no sound to it.
Yeah.
No thunder.
Nothing.
It's just lightning. Quiet lightning. Call mom, tell her to look out. Tell her to look at.
Whoa, that was weird.
This is right by our house. And just appeared out of nowhere. It's a trip. There's no sound to it. Have you ever seen or saw thunder with no sound?
I think she's taking a bath.
What's the date today?
27th.
Today is August 27th, 2019. Mountain US time?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mountain time. Time is 8:30?
Yeah.
8:30 p.m. Whoa. So scary.
Every 10 lightnings,
Uh-huh.
there's one back here that goes off.
Really? On that side?
Yeah. Whoa. Should we go back to the house and show them?
If you want to. Call her again.
Ow. She's taking a bath.
Or text TJ or Cody.
Mom took the phone away from him.
She?
Yeah.
Whoa. Where's that one coming from?
Back there.
Let's see. Above us? Oh, on that side. Those ones on that side are making noise. Yeah. It's over towards Acma. Think so? Yeah, those ones.
I need to empty that out. Did you stop recording?
No, not yet. Whoa.
Oh, you missed the perfect one.
I know. So I'm still recording. It's going on 5 minutes now.
Really?
Yeah. Well, when I was out here watering the ground, it wasn't even.
I